So I came across this new website and app today, which helps home buyers avoid the pitfalls of overbidding and not knowing all the information they need to buy a home. So some of the features that Clearly has is to track property demand, so you can see based on the buyer interest, you can see on Clearly, don't rely on guesses from others. Avoid making blind bids. So that's the old trick that the realtors have played with putting sold over asking on all their signs when in reality nobody knew what the bids were. So this will help with that. And it'll also help you to avoid overpaying for properties that you're interested in. So some of the other features of this app is you can scope out the competition. See a home you like, add it to your Clearly dashboard, and get immediate notifications when other buyers start following it. See lots of buyer interest, then you know that you're going to have to put in a substantial offer. If you see hardly any interest, then you know that you can lowball the price a little bit, and you can also avoid blind bidding. So if you know there's going to be 10 different bids going on a house, you can see that information about competing offers that your realtor cannot provide. So I signed up for the site. It was rather easy. They wanted a fair bit of information, but you really don't have to put in truthful information as far as that goes. You can put in whatever suits you. And then I logged in, and now you can see the process of adding a property. So you can go to the MLS site, click on a property that you're interested in, and get the information for that. So I just picked a random property, and I got the information from it. And you can see here, the first thing I did is cut and paste the MLS, and then go back to the Clearly site. And then just pasted that into the site. Now it says that there isn't anybody else looking at this property at this current time. And I believe that most likely it'll take a while for this app to pick up speed. Now, if you're somebody that is watching this and interested in getting the word out, please share this video with friends, and that'll help us all when it comes to buying houses to get a lot better information on those houses that we're bidding on. Because I believe that the realtors have been hoarding a lot of this information for a very long time to keep their ability to make more money. And as we all know, I mean, them charging 5 to 6% for their services is a little bit on the borderline insane. So you can enter all the information by just cutting and pasting as you go along. You can enter the address and all that sort of thing. The asking price and any other information that the site is looking for. And once you've done that, you can see there it does give you suggestions when you're putting in the address. Now this particular one that I put in, it didn't give me the actual address, but the next one that I put in did that. So it was a lot easier to enter the information. But I mean, if you're out shopping for a property, spending 5 minutes entering the information in this site is not going to be a bad thing. So, and once you get it all entered in there, you just click Add Property. And there you go. So it's now in your dashboard. And if there were other details to do with this particular property that had been entered by someone else, then you would be able to get that information. So let's add another home and see what we get. So the fact that you can just cut and paste from realtor.ca is convenient. So all in all, I think that this application will be a game changer for the real estate industry, especially once it starts to get all its data on the site. It can help a lot of the issues that we had going through the pandemic, as far as all the overbidding and the price wars and everything else. If you're able to find a lot more information out about a home, you're definitely going to be better off. So anyhow, I just wanted to bring this application to my subscribers' forefront, and I hope it helps anybody out that's looking for a home.